Good morning, everyone. I greet you this morning with our friend the robin. So just stopped to contemplate and ponder. See Dog Rose. Just as I film Dog Rose, we hear a dog barking in the background. There's lots of oxeye daisies. Mini suns. It's really interesting. I stopped to film because it was totally silent. And it's almost as if as soon as I begin, extraneous noises begin. And I always feel like there's something to be learnt or nature's teaching me something. And I think for me, in this particular moment in time, what nature is trying to say or teach me is there's never a perfect moment. Not as mind wishes to perceive it. And that there is actually silence there all the time. Because how else could we be aware of the dog barking? The thing is, we generally put the focus on the barking and miss the silence, because that's how mind's been conditioned, to focus on the object. Not only does it focus on the object, it has a story, it has judgments. I don't like that sound, I like that sound is annoying, that sound is pleasant. And now we have more dogs barking in the background. I don't know if you can hear that as well, coming from a different direction. It's absolutely incredible. And why need the dog barking be any more pleasant and enjoyable than the robin singing or the wind blowing through the bushes or the bees buzzing on the flowers? Because mind has said so. Mind has made the judgment, the distinction, the separation. Again, I'm reminded that I am aware of all of it. All of this is appearing in my awareness, and in yours also, if you're watching this. So let the dog bark, let the birds sing, let the machines whir, the wind blow. It's all one and the same. And it's all a pointer back to awareness. I am aware. So that was my contemplation with you this morning. And I leave you with it all. Until the next time.